Fit for the challenges of the energy transition. With a new training concept, the Vaillant Learning Workshop, Vaillant will support installer partners even more strongly in the energy transition in future. New training courses on the topics subsidies and laws, energy management and renewable energies for modernisation complement the comprehensive practical training. Videos on products as well as online seminars enable easy participation from any desk. Also possible, mobile learning with the Vaillant truck. It brings the learning workshop directly to the trade partner, whether digitally or in person on site, at Vaillant in Remscheid or in one of the 20 training centres throughout Germany. 21 highly qualified training engineers offer Vaillant's installer partners optimum support in theory and in practice. The Vaillant Learning Workshop, flexible training, as simple as possible.